What's up, guys? It's Mr. Alan C here, and we're checking out the ThisWorx corded car vacuum cleaner right there. Because my new car, I like taking care of this bad boy. It's my baby. So, cleans all messes from bumper to bumper. That's quite a statement. Let's say you drop some toxic waste in there. Would it clean that? Because that's a mess. Quick and easy car cleanups. This looks like a good unit, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, look at it on the back here. It comes with a little pouch. Is that gonna fit in the pouch? They make the pouch look so little in the picture. Car vacuum, all sorts of cords, and some hoses. Let's pop it open. All right, opening the box, I'm a little overwhelmed. There's a lot of stuff in here. But one thing I noticed that was nice, they gave us a free air freshener. I love that. Thank you. That's gonna go good with this car item. Now look, I see another filter in here. Hopefully there's already one in there. Oh, there is. Okay, this isn't overwhelming. We just got the bag, the cords, a tube, and a vacuum. Let's pop that out of the bag. All right, this thing's a beaut. Look at that. That's to get in all the crevices. And if it don't fit, guess what? You can jam this in the tip right here. It fits perfect. And the other end is this. Or you could use this long hard attachment right here that can also jam in the tip. Man, this is exciting. We're going to put this to use in just a minute. Also, there's this brush head you can stick in the tip, so that's another option. I'm going to start with this, and we're going to go get this plugged in right now. One other thing before we move up front, look how long this cord is. I'm pretty sure this can reach every part of your car for sure. You can probably go outside your car. So let's go use it. All right, we got that air freshener hung. We're getting ready to rock. And we're going to do a little vacuum in here with Duty. He's excited about it. Alright, it's going to be dinging and donging because I got the door open. But we're going to use this long extension now. Oh, cow, look at that. Look at that dirt here. This is what I needed. It's good. It's really sucking everything up I touch. Maybe this really can clean every mess. And mind you, that's with that long extension. Without that, just think how strong the suction is up front. Very cool. What do you think, Scrappy? Is it a win? I think it's a win. Let's keep going. Uh-oh, we got a whole new type of party started with this. This, you can brush your seats with it, suck all the stuff out from in between the cracks. Mine's pretty clean. I'm a tidy guy. I'm always vacuuming it, but it's got to be a big upgrade on my vacuum. I'm loving this. Look how clean this is. The Scrappy's not even scared by the noise. Alright, let's say I'm done cleaning my car and I'm exhausted. How do I get this stuff out of here? I don't know. I've never done it, but I'm pushing this button. And that popped off, okay? So I guess that filter's what's keeping it in there. So you remove the filter and give her a dump. There. We're good to go, another round. Now I feel pretty happy with this video, but I know there's somebody out there saying, I'd really like to see that hose go. Why didn't you do the hose? So we're gonna do the hose for you, because I care about you guys. Only problem is I'm running out of dirt to suck. We'll find something to vacuum. Daddy gonna get ya. Alright, let's go down here and get this stuff. You're alright, bud. So essentially what we got is a long hose. We can put it wherever. Wow, and it has a lot of suction. This is a good vacuum. No doubt. Listen, I mean, you'll never have to use any of those car wash vacuums again. You got it all right here, man. This is awesome. This is really cool. I didn't expect this to actually have that much suction. Now the question is, what all can you jam in this little bag, and is it hard to get in there, and are we even going to use it? Let's try it. Alright, I easily put everything in the bag, except for that extra filter that probably could fit, but it was a little tight. I just put that in my storage. So let's see if we can zip this. Heck yeah, we can zip it. Looks good. And we're ready. We're ready for our next product unboxing. So thanks for checking this one out. This works. Very cool. I will see you guys next time. I hope you had a great day, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.